Hello, my glamorous besties. Welcome back to this channel. It's Down for Glam, and my name is Gigi. I like to do nails. That's why I made a nail channel. And I also like St. Patrick's Day, mainly, I guess, because I'm very much Irish in my ancestry. Not completely. There's some other stuff in there, but a big chunk is Irish. And I relate to it a lot in just that it just reminds me of my dad and the things that he related to. And I'm just, when I see pictures of Ireland and I read stories of Ireland, I'm very captivated and curious. There you go, curious. Curiosity killed the cat. Satisfaction brought her back, baby. Okay, so this set is going to be inspired by St. Patrick's Day. That green color will get a second coat, and there it is. Ta-da! And we're going to do some stamping. And that means there might be some shaky cam, because where I usually put the light helps to keep the camera from moving, aka the phone from moving. But I move it when I'm stamping because I want to be kind to your eyes and my own, frankly, because when it's right on top of those stamping plates, that's a real bounce back of light. And so we're going to have, you can have blinded eyes or a little shaky cam. I figured you'd prefer shaky cam. I could be wrong. Let me know. Am I wrong? I don't think I am. I'm going to get a better situation at some point. Of course I will. I'm just going to keep investing in my channel as I love this channel and I love you guys and I love creating nails. So we're just going to keep getting better here. That's all we can do, right? Go up from where we're at. That's the best thing we can do. Now this is just, you know what? Ireland to me is very scrolly and flowery in their designs. Just very intricate and carved almost, or woven. I just love that about Ireland, that there's so much intricacy to their architecture and their artworks, and that's what I'm going to reflect in this. There's not going to be, it's not a per se a shamrock set, although we do have some shamrock representation as well. But it's not just a big pot of gold with a leprechaun. I'm not doing, and if you like that, I'm not saying you shouldn't like that. Please enjoy the parts of St. Patrick's Day that you love, and I'm going to celebrate the things that I love about St. Patrick's Day in this set. Now, just to sort of frame this particular stamp, I'm going to go ahead and bring in some gold striping tape. I just thought that added a little luxe feeling to it, you know, gives it a little something extra. And I'm off camera, so I'm just going to give you a really up close vision of my gems. I hope you enjoyed that. And I am going to cut that off a little more because you want it to be under the top coat completely. If there's anything hanging off the sides, that tape will just peel right up, and it'll peel your top coat with it, and you'll have a weird line. Trust me, it happened to me. I did not cut my tape right. I had to fix my nails because I had this weird non-top coated line because I didn't cut it so it would be under the top coat. If you have to, just take a little buffing block and buff it off so that it's smooth. It's okay if you're just doing tips to be a little bit more lax, I suppose, but this is practice for me, and I'm trying to do the best I can to do all the nails as good as possible, right? And if you're practicing, I hope that's what you're doing as well. So you don't want to half-ass it. Sorry. You don't want to half-ass it on your practice, because that matters too. Now on this heart one, you see how those hearts down there look like little shamrocks? That is our nod to shamrocks on this set, is we're going to add some of those. They are cute little shamrocks. That's I think the only shamrocks I have right now. I could have drawn a big fat shamrock, but I just wanted to keep this set super classy and classic and not like a costumey set. Does that make sense? I hope you understand what I'm saying. I don't personally gravitate to cartoon style nails, and if you do, I want you to love them. I love that you love them, and I love that they exist for you. That's just not my vibe. And so I'm always going to take my celebrations to a more, I don't know, I don't want to say classic, because like some of my Halloween nails were kind of crazy, but just a different place. I just really like more subtle nods to the holidays. There we go. I didn't know exactly how I wanted to phrase that, because really I think everybody's nail art is great. You know what? If you like big pictures of cartoon characters on your nails, I love the look of that. I think they're beautiful. I just personally, that's not, A, I can't do that unless it's a sticker, and B, that's not my favorite way to do nails, right? I just like something a little more like this, a little more classic. So these are the nails, guys. As I top coat them, I'm just bringing them up so you can see them. It is kind of, it's the middle of the night. I need to do darker nails in the daytime, I think. I'm learning that. I'm learning that now. So, yeah, I wish I had done these during the day, but this is the finished set. Please let me know. Would you wear these? Do you like them? Do you identify with Ireland at all? Are you Irish? I love you guys. Thank you for watching this channel, and we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.